Sparkles. The baby dragon peeked into the sleepy bunny's pajama burrow, and his golden eyes went round. Have you ever felt sleepy, but bedtime still felt too quiet? Woodland Bunny sat on a leaf pillow with his ears down. "I want to sleep," he whispered, "but my pajama burrow is too quiet." Sparkles, the baby dragon, tapped the moss floor. Tap. The burrow answered with one tiny glow. "Oh," Sparkles gasped. "It is not empty quiet. It is waiting quiet." "Waiting for what?" asked Woodland Bunny. "For small, cozy steps," said Sparkles, "and someone kind beside you." Mama Dragon smiled. "One gentle step can make bedtime safe." "But what if the quiet gets big again?" whispered Woodland Bunny. Sparkles puffed a sleepy heart cloud. "Then I stay." Rustle, rustle, rustle. The blanket basket tipped over. 7 glowing pajama leaves floated out like tiny boats. One landed on Sparkles' nose. Woodland Bunny giggled. "You have a leaf mustache." "A bedtime mustache?" said Sparkles. The quiet became smaller. "First step," said Sparkles. "Find the cozy pajama leaves. Which one feels sleepy safe?" A green leaf twinkled. A yellow leaf glowed. A blue leaf hummed, Woodland Bunny touched the blue leaf. It curled around him and became soft blue pajamas with tiny paw cuffs. Then both sleeves wiggled. Clap, clap. "My pajamas clapped," said Woodland Bunny. Sparkles whispered, "They are saying, first cozy step done." If you like gentle bedtime magic, tap subscribe. A gold dot appeared on the floor. Then another. Then another. They made a tiny path. Woodland Bunny leaned forward. "Where does it go?" "To the next step," whispered Sparkles. "Why the paw bowl?" The path stopped by a pebble bowl with warm water and mint leaves. Woodland Bunny hid his paws. "I do not want to wash them. They are bunny paws already." "True," said Sparkles, "but these paws hopped through clover and maybe patted Cute Forest Bear's honey pillow." A soft voice came from outside. "Maybe." Cute Forest Bear squeezed in with one tiny bunny paw print on his pillow. "Oops," whispered Woodland Bunny. Cute Forest Bear smiled. "Cute, but sticky." Sparkles dipped one claw into the water. Plip. A paw-shaped bubble popped up. "Should the bubbles help?" asked Sparkles. Woodland Bunny dipped one paw. Wiggle, wiggle, then the other. Wiggle, wiggle. One bubble made a tiny crown on his clean paw. Sparkles bowed. "Your Majesty of clean bunny paws." Woodland Bunny laughed, then yawned. The gold path blinked brighter. Then it split into 3 little trails. "Which way now?" asked Woodland Bunny. Twinkle the unicorn stepped in, her horn glowing like warm milk. "Choose the blanket that makes your heart slow down." One trail led to moss. One led to cloud. One led to purple, sleepy carrot stars. Woodland Bunny touched the moss blanket. Soft. He touched the cloud blanket. Softer. Then he touched the purple blanket. Blink, blink, blink. The carrot stars blinked. "This one feels like a dream is waiting," he whispered. Sparkles smiled. "Then the dream found you first." The blanket wrapped around Woodland Bunny like sleepy wings. Bubbles the bluebird fluttered in. "A bunny butterfly." "I am not a butterfly," said Woodland Bunny. "I am an almost maybe sleepy bunny." "Almost maybe," said Sparkles. "That sounds like a secret door." Click. Everyone turned. 4 glow mushrooms drooped on the wall with their lights off. The burrow dimmed. Woodland Bunny held the blanket tight. "The quiet is getting big again." Sparkles sat right beside him. "Then we make the quiet friendly." "How?" "This mushroom needs a kind word." Woodland Bunny leaned in. "Hello, little glow mushroom." Ping. Honey light filled one corner. "This one needs a tiny breath." Woodland Bunny blew softly. Psh. Blue light filled the floor. Bubbles the bluebird sang one gentle note. Loo. Peach light filled the ceiling. The 4th mushroom stayed dark. Cute Forest Bear hugged it gently. Nothing happened. Nibbles, the bunny, hopped in with a tiny basket. "Maybe it needs a bedtime button." He held up 4 buttons. Pajama leaves, clean paws, a blanket, glow mushrooms. Woodland Bunny looked closer. The glow mushroom button is empty. The 4th mushroom sneezed. Piff! Silver dust floated up and made a question mark. Woodland Bunny whispered, "What is it asking?" Sparkles looked at a blank circle on the ceiling. "I think the burrow wants to remember the routine." Twinkle. The unicorn nodded. but it must remember feelings too. Woodland Bunny's ears drooped. My feeling is still a little worried. Then we do the last cozy step together, said Sparkles. The pajama lullaby, said Nibbles the bunny. Mama Dragon sat near the door. Papa Dragon dimmed the lantern. Everyone grew soft and still. Sparkles the baby dragon sat close to Woodland Bunny. The burrow was very quiet, but now the quiet was listening. Sparkles sang softly. Pajama leaves around your toes, little bunny. Moonlight glows. Clean little paws and blanket near. Kind little friends are gathered here. Bubbles hummed. Sleepy tune. Safe in the burrow under the moon. Mama Dragon whispered, quiet is not empty space. Quiet is a resting place. Papa Dragon added, step by step and friend by friend, sleepy worries gently end. The fourth glow mushroom flickered. Once, twice, then stopped. Woodland Bunny's eyes shined. It still did not light. Sparkles leaned close. Maybe it is waiting for the smallest voice. Mine? Whispered Woodland Bunny. Your burrow needs yours. My voice is tiny. Tiny voices fit perfectly in bedtime, said Sparkles. Woodland Bunny took one slow breath. Then he sang, burrow quiet, burrow deep, I am safe enough to sleep. The fourth glow mushroom popped awake. Ping! Silver light twirled around the burrow like a sleepy ribbon. The blank ceiling circle filled with pictures, pajama leaves, clean paws, carrot stars, glow mushrooms, and Sparkles the baby dragon beside him. Tiny words glowed like fireflies. Small steps, kind friend, safe sleep. That is my bedtime, whispered Woodland Bunny. Sparkles smiled. Yes, your quiet was asking for a routine, not asking you to be alone. The empty button filled with a tiny burrow and a heart. Nibbles the bunny placed it in Woodland Bunny's paw. Now the quiet feels small, whispered Woodland Bunny. Mama Dragon smiled. Small enough to rest in. Papa Dragon smiled. Small enough for dreams. Cute Forest Bear raised one paw. No sticky pillow prints tomorrow? Woodland Bunny giggled. Clean paws first. If your grown-up says it is okay, tell us which blanket you would choose. Moss, cloud, or sleepy carrot stars. The purple blanket tucked around Woodland Bunny's feet. The glow mushrooms dimmed. Honey, blue, peach, silver. Woodland Bunny opened one eye. Sparkles? Yes? What if tomorrow the quiet feels big again? Sparkles rested his chin by the leaf pillow. Then we do the cozy steps again. Pajama leaves, whispered Woodland Bunny. Clean paws, whispered Sparkles. Soft blanket, whispered Woodland Bunny. Glow mushrooms, whispered Sparkles. Pajama lullaby, whispered Woodland Bunny. And someone kind beside you, Sparkles whispered. Woodland Bunny smiled. That is the best step. Twinkle the unicorn made a moonbeam ribbon by the doorway. Bubbles the bluebird gave one dream chirp. Nibbles the bunny set the button basket by the pillow. Cute Forest Bear whispered, good night, little sleepy paw printer. Good night, honey pillow bear, whispered Woodland Bunny. Mama Dragon hummed from the doorway. Papa Dragon dimmed the last lantern. Sparkles. The baby dragon stayed beside Woodland Bunny. The burrow was quiet now, but it was not empty quiet. It was pajama leaf, clean paw, purple blanket, glow mushroom, lullaby quiet. Woodland Bunny's breathing became slow. In, out, in, out. The bedtime button tucked itself under the pillow like a dream seed. Sparkles whispered, sleep well, Woodland Bunny. Woodland Bunny whispered, almost dreaming, thank you, Sparkles the baby dragon. Then he fell asleep, not because the quiet went away, but because the quiet had become safe. Sparkles smiled at the glowing routine picture on the ceiling. Mama Dragon whispered, you helped him find the answer. Sparkles nodded sleepily. Bedtime feels safe when we follow small, cozy steps with someone kind beside us. Outside, the forest softened. Twinkle the unicorn, Bubbles the bluebird, Nibbles the bunny, and Cute Forest Bear grew sleepy too. Deep in the pajama burrow, Woodland Bunny dreamed of blue pajama leaves floating like tiny boats under a moon made of kindness. Did you enjoy the adventure? Tap like and subscribe. Oh no, what happens next? Tap the next video. Trust me, this one's magical.